Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites ready. Charge your AirPods Max and put them in pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED flashes. On the Ps5, go to Settings, then Sound and Audio Output to check current devices. The Ps5 does not natively pair with most Bluetooth headphones. Because of that limitation, make sure you have a compatible Bluetooth USB adapter or an alternative wired solution. This adapter will act as the bridge for audio to the console. Next, you use a low-latency USB Bluetooth adapter that supports headset profiles. Once the adapter is plugged into the Ps5 USB port, follow the adapter's pairing procedure so it can discover devices. With your AirPods Max still in pairing mode, allow the adapter to complete the pairing handshake. You'll typically see a steady LED or hear a chime on the headphones. Once paired, set the Ps5 audio output to USB headset in Settings. Confirm master volume and test game audio and chat levels. To finish, select the USB headset as the audio output on Ps5 and adjust output device settings for chat and game balance so you get proper stereo and microphone routing. If you experience lag or dropouts, try a different low-latency adapter, move the adapter to a front USB port, or update the adapter firmware. If pairing fails entirely, reset your AirPods Max by holding the digital crown and noise control button for about 15 seconds, then retry pairing with the adapter. This clears stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.